Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to write cold emails with Rapleak. Let's get started. Rapleak is a platform designed for creating, sharing, and collaborating on interactive web content. You can try Rapleak using the link provided in the description below. It allows users to create interactive content like quizzes, polls, and surveys with an easy-to-use interface. Multiple users can collaborate on projects in real time, making it ideal for team environments. The platform offers customization options, enabling users to adjust the appearance of their content, including themes, colors, and layouts to align with branding. It also provides analytics to track user engagement and performance metrics, helping creators understand audience behavior. Let me show you how to generate cold emails with it. First, sign up to Rapleak using the link provided in the description. You can create a new account or simply sign up using your Google account. Once you are in, this is what you'll see when you access the Rapleak dashboard. Today, we're focusing on the Full Unique Emails and Icebreakers feature, which customizes your outreach at scale. Once inside, you can either manually enter your website or let Rapleak fetch the information and generate a unique selling proposition, USP, for you. In step 1, all you need to do is enter your website's URL and Rapleak will generate your USP here. Now let's move on to step 2. There are a few options available. You can manually write your email prompt or use pre-tested prompts. These have been proven to work with real prospects. It offers 4 prompt options, 2 full email prompts, a personalized one-liner icebreaker, and a postscript for follow-up emails. These prompts were tested both by our agency and beta users before launch. Before generating a full list of emails, you can input a single prospect to see an example. It selects one, look at their website, and craft an email based on something visual we observe on the site. For example, we copy the link to Pinterest website and paste it here. Now you can see it'll generate a personalized one-liner icebreaker. This reads, "I know you are tired of automated emails, so to prove to you this email is not, I can tell you that I love the vibrant and mouth-watering food photography showcased behind the sign-up form on your landing page." Now let's try full email personalization question. This reads as, "Hey Guillaume, I went to the website and I observed the vibrant and mouth-watering food visuals. This really draws users in effectively. Having said that, I was wondering how CryptoBanana ensures clarity in communicating its services, as the specific value proposition isn't immediately clear from the screenshot provided. These emails are fully automated but customized in a way that's difficult for email providers to flag as spam. Older techniques, like changing just the name or company, no longer suffice. When you're happy with a prompt, you can move on to the next step. Upload your prospect list, or you can go with Rapleak example. It's that simple. Once your file is processed, you'll see your emails listed. You can preview the text and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, your emails will not only be hard to detect as automated, but will also see higher response rates because the content is directly tailored to each prospect. Feel free to try it out using the link provided in the description below.